2024 Ford F-150 5.0. Beautiful truck. Sand gray, I guess. I don't know. What color do you think this is? It's like a... Huh? What is it?
Primer gray.
Kramer gray? Primer gray. Oh, I like that. Man, he's good at that. I'm going to test them every time on every different color I can't figure out. What about this one, Timmy? What is this one? Old person red and primer gray. I like the primer gray. It looks good on this truck. With the wheels, it's nice. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. Converter, Y, resonator, MBRP, muffler, installed. We took the regular muffler off. There'll be a link in the description for it. He wanted MBRP. We had one in stock. We said, we'll put it on for you. We hooked them up. So there it is. 3.5-inch pipe out the back, or 3-inch pipe actually out the back. As you guys can see, tip stayed the same. Everything else stayed the same. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. MBRP about to start. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's not crazy loud. It's clean. Crazy loud. He didn't want it loud. It's right at 92, so with it being on this side, we'll say about 95. About 95 decibels. Again. And when it breaks in, it gets about 10% louder too. Go ahead and back it up. Nice idle to it too. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Let you guys hear it on the inside.